Aloha and welcome to the beautiful Honua Kai Resort and Spa. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers and Hawaii Life Vacations, greeting you from my newest listing, Hokulani 314, here at Honua Kai. Let's go take a tour. Here at Residence 314 at Honua Kai, we've got a partial ocean view looking out towards the island of Lanai directly ahead. You can see the sandy shores of North Kahikili Beach, also known as Airport Beach by the locals. And then looking Mauka side towards the lush slopes of Mauna Kahalavai or the West Maui Mountains. So beautifully contrasting views from this one bedroom, one bath residence, Hokulani 314 here at Honua Kai. Heading indoors, we've got a spacious covered lanai with ample seating for four to enjoy al fresco dining, reading your favorite book, or just enjoying these beautiful views. You can see that it's about 2 p.m. and it's well protected by the afternoon sun. Looking up towards the mountainside, you can see the sun rising from the east or Hana direction. Just recently completed the exterior paint job, which is a resort-wide endeavor and has been completed on this section of the building. Beautifully decorated and recently refreshed coastal contemporary decor. Modern furniture throughout. Beautiful white oak laminate flooring. Dark granite slabs. Brand new stainless Bosch appliances. Open concept living. Economy size, brand new Bosch washer and dryer, hot water heater in the other corner. We've got our beach closet directly ahead, dining table for four. Residence comfortably sleeps four, with this serving as the pull-out sleeper sofa. Primary suite has a king bed, another flat screen TV, access out to the lanai from the interior of the master bedroom, beautiful mountain view, garden setting from the interior of the bedroom, and a peek at the mountain again as well. The property is in immaculate condition and is located in the Stice team portfolio of Hawaii Life Vacations. So our team runs the professional management of this property. Sand-colored dual sink vanities, porcelain tile, soaking tub, walk-in shower. Isn't that true? But once again, this has been a tour of Residence 314, offered exclusively by Jeremy Stice, realtor, broker of Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers here in Maui. For all things here at Honua Kai, reach out to Jeremy Stice at jeremystice.com saying aloha from Hokulani 314 at Honua Kai. Ahui ho!